fees of any UPSC coaching institute matter for a lot of the people, especially the people who cannot afford high end coaching institute. So this is the reason today I'm going to tell you what are the fees of best UPSC coaching institute in Mumbai. Okay, and of course the best IS coaching in Mumbai. So you can check the ranking of best IS coaching in Mumbai. Rank 1 is Plutus IS, rank 2 is Yojana IS, rank 3 is The Hindu Zone, rank 4 Lakshya IS, rank 5 Chahal IS. So guys, these are the best 5 UPSC coaching institute in Mumbai on the basis of fee structure as well as on the basis of overall performance of the institute as well. Guys, rank 1 best IS coaching in Mumbai is Plutus IS Coaching Institute. Undoubtedly, the results of Plutus IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai has been really very good. At this point of the time, Plutus IS Coaching Institute is offering online IS coaching. Because of its best results in the past, Plutus IS Coaching Institute is now even the rank 1 UPSC coaching institute in complete India. You need to call at Plutus IS Coaching Institute at 844-844-0231, and you can take many more information about this institute. Rank 2 best IS coaching in Mumbai is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Yojana IS Coaching Institute is well known for its best review as well as for offering UPSC classes in economical way. Definitely the rank 1 is Plutus IS, rank 2 is Yojana IS. The facilities at Yojana IS are very good, and Yojana IS also offers online IS classes. You can contact Yojana IS at this number. Rank 3 best IS coaching in Mumbai on the basis of fees structure. Basically, it is a platform, The Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone is a guidance platform where you will be getting the counseling of right and pocket friendly UPSC coaching institute customized for your need. You may have a need of UPSC coaching institute just for your online UPSC exam preparation, and you have a budget of say 90,000, 80,000. So the counselors at the Hindu Zone will guide you on how to do finalize right and best UPSC coaching institute in your budget. Okay, so you can contact at the Hindu Zone at this number. Rank 4th best UPSC coaching institute is Lakshya IS Coaching Institute, and rank 5th is Chahal IS Coaching Institute. Not to forget that you need to visit instituterank.com to check in-depth detail of this report. Thanks for checking the ranking of best IS coaching in Mumbai. Stay tuned.